Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a digital signature to your documents for free, super fast, and using only your Android. So if you need to sign a PDF without a laptop or extra apps, this method is really simple. First, just open the Google Drive like this. Just open it on your Android and then log in with your Google account, and after that just upload the document that you want to sign, and then after that just open the document like this, and make sure the file is in PDF format like this. And then after you open the document, just tap this pencil icon, this one, just tap on it, and then after that this will open the markup or edit feature. Now you can choose the pen styles that you want to use on here at this menu, and then just use the color, and then adjust the thickness of the pen. And after that, after you satisfied with the settings, just just simply sign the document directly on your screen using your finger or stylus like this. You can see it's very easy, and after that just tap on save like this, and you're done. Your digitally signed PDF is ready in just a few seconds like this. And okay, that's it. This method is completely free, quick, and works directly on Android without needing complicated software. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.